Hello there, it's Sev here from Three Counties Motorhomes and welcome to the video guide on the CBE PC210 control panel. Now, your particular control panel may have some slight differences in features and functionality, or maybe the way it displays information, but essentially this video guide should give you most of the information you need to use your control panel effectively and understand the information it's giving to you. So the first thing we need to do is to turn the control panel on, and we do that by pressing the power button right here. We will get a noise and we will see a screen test before we then get the information displayed on the screen. Now it's a bit hard to actually see the display on camera here, which is rather strange. Hopefully you can see that there, but basically this is displaying at the top here. We have the currently selected battery, so the leisure battery there as the voltage, as a sort of indicator, using 5 little pips as a display. Oh, that's a bit easier when the backlight's off. There we go. So you can see the little pips here showing us the leisure battery condition, and then we also have the fresh water tank condition or level up the top there in the same sort of display with the pips. Now the display in the center is alternating between the external temperature and internal temperature, indicated by the TEXT or TEINT. So that's giving us that information. And in this particular case, down here we see a plug in a plug socket. That's showing us that we are plugged into mains electricity, and we are apparently split charging our batteries as well. Now, to check the battery voltage, we need to press some buttons. But first of all, I'm going to turn on the 12-volt system. So this is actually going to turn on the leisure battery. That's brought the backlight back on, but that has also turned on the leisure battery 12-volt circuit. So in this particular case, the lights and things in our motorhome have turned on. Next up, we can then check the battery voltage, and we do so by pressing the battery button. One press will give us our leisure battery, indicated by that symbol there. That's the voltage there. If I press again, we see the vehicle battery voltage, and we see that right there. And then the last press will take us back to the main screen. And then for the fresh water tank, we press this button. We can see the capacity right there. And a second press will take us straight back to the main menu again. When your waste tank needs attention, there will be a symbol that will alert you on the screen. And then lastly, over here we have a water pump power master switch just there. And then this button here can be used for an external awning light or some other system. In this case, it has no function. And that is largely it for the control panel. It's as simple and easy to use as that. I'm Sev. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.